Yo, what is going on, everybody? How we doing today? Hold on, I just realized I gotta change this. So earlier in the VIP, we actually called out a trade, which ended up being a nice little win. Nothing too extreme. We were looking at about. This is not live. This was not a live trade. We were looking at about. I think we were looking at about 200 points with NAS that we took. We were at about a 200. About 200 points with NASDAQ that I ended up calling out in the VIP earlier. It was this one right here. I had 2 entries, but one of the trades was a break-even trade. So as you guys see here is my account. I actually just did a withdrawal, like I said. I actually just did it pretty much today, but I did a withdrawal of $5,000, and this account right now is doing really good. So right now we're sitting at 11K out this account, 20K in profit, and we're doing really good with this account, more than I expected in the time frame, to be honest with you. So yeah, we're gonna keep that up. But as you guys see, red is because it came in a break-even trade at $24. Second trade was the $285 trade that we took. So yeah, guys, we're gonna see what we got going on today. By the way, good morning to everybody that is tapped in on my live stream. You guys know how we do. We turn up all the time. I ask for you guys to like my video. My voice is kind of, I would say 80% back. I can't hit my high notes and singing, so I know it's not 100% back, but it's back enough for me to tell you guys to make sure you smash that like button. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Anywho, Shot Town in the building. What's going on? What is going on? What are we drinking? We drinking tea today. We're drinking tea today. The NAS trade was fired yet. Oh man, hold on. What happened? There we go. Yes, indeed. Neil, what's going on, brother? So guys, let's tap into dollar. Let's look at dollar. We got to start with our analysis with dollar. So now with dollar, we're building up liquidity, right? We're literally building up liquidity highs and liquidity lows right now. So I'm trying to figure out what low, or if we take out a low, or what high we can possibly start taking out, because that's kind of what we got going on right now, right? So I don't know 100% yet, but my whole thought process is we could possibly take out the highs and then, take out the lows and then start going up further into a bigger reaction to head down long term. You guys know we got a lot of news happening this week. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what we got going on for this week. So if you guys look here, we have, wait, hold up. Today is actually pretty chill. Today is really chill for news. What's good, Sway? Oh, what's good, Michelle? What's good, everybody that's tapping in? Good morning to everybody. But we have the Tuesday news. We got a lot of news going on Tuesday, CPI. And then also on Wednesday is where it's really crazy, guys. So we got a lot of news going on Wednesday. And then Thursday, same exact thing. We got a lot going on Thursday, and then Friday we also have news as well. Welcome, and you joined VIP over the weekend. That's what's up, man. Welcome to the family. So That being said, today might be one of those days where it's chill. And what I mean by that is we might see some moves happen and some might not. I'm not entirely sure. But it depends. We tuned into money today. Yes, sir. We already had hit NASDAQ. But we got to see because we got a lot of consolidation happening. And that's because of tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday, and even Friday. Yeah. So we got a lot going on. Guys, like I said, we got a lot going on. No, I'm not trading US 30 this week, Isaac. I'm only focusing on these trades right here. I might pop in another trade in here, but yeah. All right, let's see. Hold on, y'all. Let's see. All right, there we go. So, what's up, Curtis? How you doing? Pete, you said 1.8% for P1 finish on my 4th account. Let's see if we can get that today. That's what's up. GJ, yeah, we're going to actually look at those right now because we're going to look at Euro first because Euro's been doing this thing lately. So as you guys see, we talked about this actually last night, but we have equal highs that was actually taken out, and that's a beautiful thing to see because seeing that kind of tells me that we could possibly continue to head up, but before we head up, we could come back down and start taking these lows out. After these highs were taken out, you guys know I talk about this liquidity phase all the time, looking for market to come up to here and then looking for that spike up. So here's my initial plan for Euro Yen. If that's the case, which I see that, let me look for, we really don't need to look for any POI level because I see it clearly here. If we start looking at a 1 hour, you guys see that we have some rejection going on. 15-minute, nice. Now, I want to possibly take a sell going down to these lows. In order for me to sell it, I need to see market take these lows out, pull back into another level, and then shoot down, and then hopefully shoot up. So that's what I'm looking at for Euro Yen. So really, right now, the whole news is that really I just want to see these lows get taken out first before I initiate. Oh, shoot. Hold on, y'all. Before I initiate any type of reaction on this trade. Yeah, we gotta see them sell orders get taken out and then come back up and then look for that shot to shoot down because, like I said, we got a lot of liquidity here, and I don't see them. I don't see the banks trying to not get this, like, you know. So we definitely got this that it wants to take. So this will be a nice trade for us. For those that's watching me, if y'all ever want to, trade at your own risk, that's exactly what we're doing. GJ would be the same play, possibly, if we tap back in on a higher scale. Not too high. We're not going to go that far out right now. But if we look on a higher scale, we got all this liquidity that it wanted to take out. My problem is we could possibly come and tap into these lows again. Possibly. That's how I see it. But it is a sense of we are in a lot of consolidation because even on a higher scale, we have some more liquidity that wants to get built up as well. So we got to see exactly what the fuck is going on with this here. and see what we can get with GJ. But for me, for sure, with GJ, how I see it is that man, y'all see that we just got these equal highs that needs to be taken. We're looking at that, and I'm simply looking for a market to boom, come down, take some of this liquidity, and then possibly shoot back up. But we're gonna see. GJ, I don't really see much going on right now. Euro is kind of where I'm at for sure, and yeah, guys. NASDAQ is consolidating right now. Yeah, NASDAQ is consolidating right now. I'm trying to figure out exactly what we want to really do, but I still see it coming down because, like I said, I know these highs got to get taken out, you know, at some point. So it's got to come down more. But I don't know if we're going to be in this consolidation or anything like that, because literally, if we look, we have the equal lows here. Guys, I'm not going to look at other things, especially if y'all not liking my video. I'm not going to do that. No. Whatever I have listed over here is what I'm beat trading for my streams. I know a lot of people that's tapped in here that's asking for me to look at something, and I know y'all didn't even hit the like button. That's for one. So I need everybody. We got over 400 people on here, and we don't even have 400 likes. I need everybody to go ahead and do me one favor. Make sure you smash that like button, because we got to get these likes up in order for you guys to see what I do. Y'all know that all I ask for is a simple request of a like button. I don't ask for you to buy my course, buy my mentorship, buy my boot camp. All I ask for is a simple like. So the more likes I get, the more motivated I feel to actually go live on YouTube and stream. Otherwise, it's pointless for me because I don't feel the motivation, so I just lose it and forget it. So I need all of y'all to go ahead and do me one favor. Make sure y'all smash that like button and show just mad support. Just show that you guys genuinely care. And then also make sure you guys subscribe, because otherwise you're going to be missing out on a lot of fucking free gems that I do provide for free 99. You feel me? Simple, right? Very simple. Very simple. So I need all y'all to smash that like button. We got to get this to 300 likes. 300. Hey. 300 likes. Let's get them likes up. Tech, I already did my analysis on GJ. Yeah, I need all y'all to go ahead and like this up. Everybody that's tapping in right now, we got to get these likes up, brother. This is the only way I know that you guys truly show appreciation through me or for me. Basically, just by simply liking the dang video. I almost want to get in another NASDAQ trade, but I just feel like it's just too late. We got so much liquidity getting built up right now. That yeah, I don't know. I don't think that would make very sense of me to do that. So, man, with gold, man, we're doing so much consolidation right now, but we're still going down, though, and that's what I'm looking for. You found me 2 days ago. I appreciate that. That's love. That's love. But I'm not really talking about any trades because we got to get these likes up. Like we don't even have 300 likes. We at least got to be at 400 likes right now. I'm the only YouTuber here that would literally strangle you guys for likes. Because I want to let you guys know that I actually care for likes, and that is the way that shows that you guys truly genuinely care, because y'all not finna finesse me. I would definitely be that guy. All right, let's see. There we go. We got over 437 people watching, but we gotta get them likes up. You feel me? All right, cool. We're looking at gold right now. I use TradingView. I'm sorry. I use MetaTrader 5 to take my trades with Henko Trade. But anyway, right now we're on a 1 hour scale, and I see that I see gold dropping. We actually just tapped into I just noticed that we just tapped into a POI level right here. And we're finally dropping off the 1 hour scale. Let me redo that. Here and here. Right, I noticed we tapped into a POI level. Market's coming down. That's nice to see. If we go into the 5 minute right now, market did pull back, so this is a nice trade to take, but I missed out on this one. What's wrong? Cancel. Yeah, I missed out on that one. Missed out on this one for sure. I would be taking a sell though, but it's too late for me. I don't like trade. I don't like racing price. I'm not trading US 30. I see that we got these lows here. That's all I'm looking for to get taken out for me to get in a euro trade. Let's see, guys. Hold on. So once again, if y'all new to my YouTube channel, like I said, I am in the process of growing this $4,000 account into 40K. Just showing you guys how I literally handle trades live, how I go about trading and all that stuff. So far, we're doing really good with the account. And I'm continue to see greatness with this account. Let's go back to my trading view real fast to analyze some trades. I'm also looking at alt USD right now through my broker, and I do see some. Well, you know what? Let me see. We're gonna tap back in on here real fast. I do see that on a 4 hour scale. It's been consolidating. If y'all really pay attention to this joint has been consolidating, and we've been building up all of this here. As y'all see, liquidity highs, liquidity lows. So at this point, I kind of want to see what direction it wants to go, either take out the highs or take out the lows. But looking at this, it looks like it could still be an uptrend, you know, and that's kind of where I'm at with that. So we're gonna see. But hold on, y'all. Yeah, gold is literally tanking right now. Like right here, if we look back at a higher scale, you guys see we took liquidity. I actually talked about this last night when we were saying that I was looking on gold to start taking out these lows, even coming down here to take out some of this, but really most likely it can reach this low here and then maybe possibly head up a little bit and then shoot down. But we got to see more. I know a lot of y'all are familiar with the head and shoulders pattern and all of that beautiful stuff with price action patterns, but a lot of times you got to look at it differently, you know, as far as how to actually analyze the chart. So that's what we got going on right now with gold. It's just that right now we don't have anything really because it already is happening. I'm just trying to see if we can have another opportunity. If I can have another opportunity when it actually wants to hit these lows and build up more liquidity, because it could either build up more liquidity, which I can definitely see that, and from there we're just gonna see. Oh my God, look, dollar finally took the highs out. So now what NASDAQ doing? Oh yeah, it's not doing much. It's still trying to build liquidity up. But yeah, dollar took out the highs. Now we are now starting to tap into some of my POI levels. So we're gonna see what the hell we can get with these. But we are now tapping into some POI levels right now. Either looking at it here, this is more of my, this is more extreme and my midpoint, but technically this is more of my extreme overall, just because I know my midpoint would be right there, literally. So yeah, we got some shit about to go down with this one. We definitely got some shit that's about to go down. Now it's look good for buys. I'm not buying it right now. It's too hot to buy right now. Way too hot for me to buy right now. Why are we buying though? Well, why would you buy? Maybe because are you looking at this as support? Yeah, for me, I need more than that. Because I know, like I said, I know banks like to look at this as money, not support. So they could actually take this and then head up. But I want to see more with market structure right here before I do anything with NASDAQ. How do I determine my midpoint? You just identify the mid area of the range. Is that it? Yeah. That's exactly 100% correct. You know, figure out the range first, which is usually the hardest part, because a lot of people will say, well, this is my range. That's true. This is a range, and that's true. This is also a range. This is also a range. So it's kind of like you got to know which one to focus on. But either way it goes, man, we're doing good. We took out the highs, tapping into my extreme right now. And if dollar wants to head down, then we can expect NASDAQ to head up. Actually, what NASDAQ could possibly do is build up more liquidity or take out these highs. And we kind of can determine from that to see. So we got to see what the heck is going on. Yeah, I'm talking about point of interest, basically. When you say point of interest, what are you looking for? So point of interest is just another abbreviation of order block, supply, demand, key levels, support, resistance, all of that. You know, a lot of people, when they first start trading or get into trading, they think order blocks and supply demands are really two separate entities, and it is in a way. But when you are very familiar with reactions on market and the basics of understanding shit, you'll realize that's all the same shit. Every time you see a high and a low, it's some form of structural strategy that somebody had rebranded or something like that. What's going on, Kevin? So I just keep it very fucking simple. I just say POI level. Because if I had somebody that strictly trades supply demand, they only knew supply demand, they're gonna be like, oh, you should use supply demand, bro. You should not use POI. The fuck? I'm gonna look at you and be like, bro, that's the same shit. And then you're gonna be like, no, it's not. It's different. And then you get to explain it to me why it's different. And I get to going into the very basics. You're gonna be like, oh, okay, makes sense. Same shit. So I just keep it simple. I keep everything simple. I don't like to overcomplicate trading because it don't need to be complicated. You can make that shit complicated if you want to, for whatever reason. Maybe you just like complex stuff, and I get it. But man, if I'm trying to make this money, shit, I ain't no reason for me to complicate this. For what reason? Yeah, some people look at supply demand at the wicks, and some people don't. Exactly my point. So my point is, every fucking time we see a high and a low, that is some form of structural strategy. We gonna keep shit simple here, y'all. There's no reason for us to sound smart or look cute or sound cute. We know what's up. I know what's up. Let me say that. I know what's up. So, yeah, that's what we got going on right now, though. So, right now, we got liquidity being built up on NASDAQ. Seeing that we do have liquidity being built up, if dollar wants to play that seller's market, then I will be interested in some buying setups for NASDAQ. But first, before I buy anything, I wanted to take out some of these highs first before I actually sit here and say that, oh, I'm interested in for a buy. So once you take out some of these highs, then I can see what the fuck we got going on. Gold already shot, brother. You late. we already missed out on that one. We don't ride price down. We wait on price to come back up, and then we ride it down. Yeah, gold is definitely bound to come back for sure. It's definitely bound to come back for sure. So we're doing a liquidity phase right here, taking out these highs and then looking to take out these lows next. Yeah, we got some liquidity built up here. Where's my yeah, okay, I'm looking on gold to possibly still come down here though to like 1782. 1782. I'm looking on gold to come here still. GJ's moving. Moving where? Up. Yeah, we gonna have a more up move. We got up move for sure with GJ. We got a range, guys. We got this high to this low. In order for me to be interested, ooh, this would be nice. For it to tap below here. Coming some of these levels down here. Possibly coming even further down here. And then looking for that to, it's got to build up more liquidity. It wants to. It either wants to take it or build up more. That is an answer I cannot tell you because I would not know. GU stressing me out. So Euro decided to take out that low, guys. We didn't even go into GU. We're going to look at that in a bit. Did we look at GU? No, we didn't even look at that yet. So the low, it didn't even really take it out yet. We got to see more reaction. We got more reaction to play with Euro Yen before I can sit here and say I needed to take out the lows first and then come back because it can still head up. Like we could still be heading up. We can definitely still be heading up. But the reason why I feel like we are heading down now is because we took out these highs and we got to take these lows out next. And then not only that, but we did tap, even for those that look at fair value gaps, well, we didn't even tap into that one. So, but we do have a lot of this liquidity over here, this all right here from this range, guys. If you're looking at it, the bigger picture, this is the range that I'm talking about. And yeah, and then even on a higher scale, for those that do analyze the higher scale for price action, We do have a nice wick rejection here with a nice engulfing candle, but we got to wait on the closure, which is within about 9 minutes with the hour. 15-minute, we do see that we got a double top. That's not enough for me yet. I want to see the break of these lows and then pulling back into my range, which we do have this bigger play range, which I don't think market is going to play off this bigger picture whenever this lower range finish, which we won't know until we break out of a minor high, meaning that market comes down, breaks out the high. That will confirm my end point of the range. I don't see market coming all the way up here to this range. I can see it either reacting off this range. So we got a midpoint here, hopefully, depending on how low this wants to shoot down. And then we got our extreme right here. And that's kind of where I'm looking for the retest to meet me at for us to shoot down. So we're going to put an alert here now. And then we're going to wait to see if Euro can come back. So let me add a note here for me. I'm looking on this cell. So wait, I know me and you got the same analysis, brother. We kind of like got the same mindsets when we look at the charts, and I love it. Even though you just more on the phone than I am. Oh damn, this is pulling back pretty quick. I'm not expecting that to happen very quick. Guys, this is gonna be false because I need to see a high first. So if this is a high and it wants to break out, then boom. I need to see a high first. So yeah, let's focus on this one for a second. And the reason why I'm saying this is because this isn't a solid break of structure. This is just more liquidity being built up, which will look like that. This is where a lot of people get confused. This is where a lot of people get confused. You need to see an aggressive move taking out the lows. So all it's doing right now is just building up more liquidity. And then as that is building up more liquidity, if it does, guys, as you see, we got liquidity highs here. So it's kind of like, damn, we got to see which way it wants to take out first now. So this is why I say all the time, you got to be able to shift and adjust with the market like that. And that's basically what we got going on right now. So, yeah, we're going to see what the fuck is going on with GJ. Or, not GJ, gosh, Lee. We're Euro Yen. Yeah, Euro J. Euro Yen. But if we can make this a high and it doesn't break that yet and it wants to head down a little further and then come back up, that will confirm my range. That will confirm that this is our range whenever it wants to end it. But let's see, guys. Let me remove this for 2 seconds and just put this here. And we're going to see something. We're going to see what the hell we can get. And I'm telling y'all, it's a lot of information, man. It's like I'm giving you guys an exclusive boot camp right now. What do you think about USD CAD? It's in the extreme right now. I'm waiting on it. I'm going to tap in on it. I'll look at it. Now it's finally took liquidity. It did. Nice. It definitely did. So now it looks like we could be coming back up to this liquidity next. VIP be eating, man. We be doing a lot of shit on there. Gold. Who was talking about gold? Somebody said gold's coming back up, and indeed it is. We are coming back into my levels. This would be nice. This is the beauty of scalping. We always got opportunities to scalp. So look, guys, if market wants to take out this liquidity, it would make sense that it can meet 50% in here, which means that possibly we can have TP here. Well, technically TP1 would be here, and then TP2 can be here for me. So I know, Neil, you right. She said, no, be quiet. Just kidding. No, you right. You right. Maybe starting 2023, I'm going to just be like a little quiet. I'm going to be a little quiet. Like, look, you probably like, damn, man, why you say that? Now everybody on here is mad. Guys, we got to get the likes up, though, man. This is exactly why I keep commanding y'all to like the video, because it's kind of like all of these gems I'm giving out, but I'm not getting enough likes. Like, that's exactly why I am going to consider me not doing a lot of this, like throwing these gems out like how I am now, because a lot of people don't care to like the video. And that's cool. If you don't want to like it, that is what it is. I ain't tripping. But I know y'all will be tripping. My VIP wouldn't be tripping, but y'all will be tripping. So y'all gotta like the video. I need all of y'all to go ahead and like this video right now. We gotta get these likes up. We gotta get this at least 500. So in this whole time, we're going to be working these 500 likes. Gold does not look like a sell. Promise you guys, this don't look much. It actually is validated as a sell, but I wanted it to come up here more in order for me to take this trade, just because I'm looking at momentum flow and the momentum is so strong. But yeah, it's dropping right now, so either we can build up more liquidity here and then hit up. We'll see. Yeah, the calculator is down once again. Like I said, we're trying to get this issue resolved because it's a server thing. Who we're going through with the servers, that their server keep basically dropping, or it's keep just, I don't know what the fuck they're doing. So we're just looking for a new server to work with for the calculator to work properly. Let's see, GJ. What we got going on with GJ, y'all, again? Oh yeah, we gotta come to these lows. Looking on GJ to hit these lows. Yeah, I'm still working on an AI signal. It's not really a signal buy. I don't want to say it's a signal buy. It's just going to help you guys when it's going to be available this week. It should be launching this week. But it's going to just help you guys like analyze a pair. Let's say that you already have a pair and you're like, and then you see this the bot say, hey, here's a potential sell. Look into it more with your confirmations, and then you be like, oh, okay, cool. So it's going to be like an extra confirmation tool. First 3 people. Y'all, let's get them likes up. 500 likes. I need everybody that is tapped in on here to go ahead and like the video. We got to get these to 500 likes. 500 likes. GU is, I'm supposed to look at GU right now, actually. I wanted to trade this for this week. Let me see. Okay, I'm glad to see this. GU is falling now. This is what I actually was waiting for. So now that we're falling, I want to see it start tapping back into some of these POI levels for me to look for a sell. I can even buy it if I want to, but that would be very extreme. I need to be on a 30 seconds. You guys know we all day, every day, we love taking 30-second entries. Majority of our trades were 30-second entries. By the way, for those that's new, a lot of our trades were 30-second entries. Something about 30-second entries, I just love it, man. I feel like I can get in super tight entries. Your broker is very dumb for that. Yeah, with GU, what dollar? Let me tap back into dollar. Oh, yeah, that's because dollar's still heading up, actually. Damn. They said forget that level. Let's look at this level. Now looking at this, guys, we even got this as an extreme. And then we got a lot tapping in right now, here to here. I use Hanko Trade. So let me do something with dollar right now because I'm starting to see another reaction with it. Shoot. No, you don't follow through. You don't follow through like broker. You follow through your exchange. So like Coinbase, you follow through Coinbase. Binance, you follow through Binance. Cash App, you follow through Cash App. You don't follow through your broker. Broker I use is Hanko Trade. And then I use Offspring FX for my funded account. Starting next year, I do plan on getting a bigger funded account. I'm actually going to try to do a bigger account. So dollar right now, man, is very funny to me. I'm trying to figure out. I can't really tell what we got going on until we tap into these highs. Otherwise, I'll be playing a guessing game right now. But all I do know for sure is that at this time being, we got this range. At this time being, we got that range. Kevin, my weekend was great. Thanks for asking, man. So if we can get dollar to react off of these levels, make a new low and then break through, that means NASDAQ's got to be heading up further, as we do have highs that needs to be taken. And this is a perfect setup for us right now with NASDAQ. As you guys see here, we got a level that is interesting. POI level down here. I just need to see when this range is going to finish first. A lot of you guys call this change of character, break of structure, market shift. I don't care. I just know market reacted the opposite way after grabbing liquidity. Now I want it to pull back from this range, but that is, wow. Just seeing how strong NASDAQ is just going to tell me how strong it's going to do. Like, we can actually now start seeing it going up, possibly, if it's going to be this strong. We could see NASDAQ making its mark to head up for sure now. But we're going to see. Like I said, guys, this week is going to be very interesting. That's all I'm telling you right now. This week is about to be interesting. This week is about to be interesting. Very interesting. We about to see a lot of nonsense going on. Like right now, we see dollars extremely powerful. We're like, wait, why though? It's going to be interesting. So I'm looking on that Euro trade. Like I said, this is a range from all the way up here to down here once we break out this high. However, I'm not looking on that range. I'm actually looking on this range and this range. So we're going to keep our eye open on this. And the reason why I see NASDAQ shooting down or Euro Yen shooting down is because we got to take out these lows. But we're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see. All right, guys. Give me 1 second. I need everybody to like this video while I do one thing. And I'll be right back. But I need everybody to like this video. And then keep your eye open on Euro Yen. What is up, everybody? I'm back. So, yeah, so we have this possible trade that I actually really like. I really like this Euro Yen trade. And I would hope that we can get it to come to my extreme because this would be beautiful risk position for me to take. I got to look at a new range now with gold. How does this look at my broker? All right, guys, I see some. So I see that we have here is a POI level that is interesting to me. If we can tap back in here, I will be looking for a sell setup. So so yeah, we're gonna see with that one. On this one, this level right here looks very promising to me. This level right here looks very promising to me. This is just where a POI level, man, at its finest. It's gotta I just see it here. This is where I'm looking to take my trade, because I can have a nice stop loss. You trading 20 pairs? Yeah, if you're new to trading, I wouldn't be trading that many. I'll only focus on 3. And just find any 3 that works best for you and your style. Yeah, gold ain't pulling back, y'all. Gold is going down. Man, we missed out on this one. Dollar's still strong. Or sessions, I like to trade London and New York. 20 pairs is crazy. If you're new to trading, yeah, that's a lot. But if you got this, you know, it's nothing. It's because you can't focus on one, so you either miss out on an opportunity or you kind of like skipped out on something and you didn't fully analyze it because you're too focused on too many pairs. Guys, trading is about focusing, just like anything in life. If you really want something to be, if you want to be great at something, you got to focus at it. You got to be great at that, right? Like LeBron, like for instance, Michael Jordan, when he was fucking playing golf, baseball, he wasn't the best at that. He was focused on basketball. You feel me? So it's like we got to understand how to adapt. Focus on one if you can. That's what I'm trying to get to, right? But I got 3 pairs I mastered. Gold, GJ, and NASDAQ are literally my top 3. So when you guys see me post it, those top 3 pairs that's in my title, those are my 3 focus joints that I'm looking at. I'm focused on those 3. However, I do look at other ones because I feel like I absolutely could do it, you know. But at the end of the day, I know I'm just really tied down to these 3 right here. The first 3 that you see on here: NASDAQ, gold, and GJ. Simple. You just find whatever works best for you. I like NASDAQ because it's very volatile and it trades very well during London and New York. I like gold because it's very diverse. It consolidates very well and it trends very well. GJ, I like that because it's very choppy and it has a lot of structured points. However, I'm trying to determine if I want to start trading Euro Yen rather than GJ. So that's why I kind of have these 2 up, because it's like, I don't know yet, you know. But eventually I just want to trade 1 pair and just leave it like that. And that pair might right now be gold, but I haven't made up my mind yet. Still trying to figure that out. You love USD Yen? Yeah, USD Yen is nice too. So if you're new to my channel, I highly suggest you subscribe because man, we give out so much fire information on my channel for free, of course, right? Guys, for one, we're tapping into my point of interest. Very interested in this one. See, on my trading view, it says it didn't hit, but on here it shows it did. Jojo, we are focused on euro yen right now. I'm actually looking at NASDAQ on my other screen, man. It's not doing anything. I would not be selling that right now. I see what you're talking about with the extreme, but it's too volatile right now. You got to understand momentum. That's something I'm not going to teach on here, though. I can't give out all the free gems. All the gems. That's actually how I analyze my entries. It's actually how I analyze my entries. Like right now. We're on a 1 minute too. Alright guys, I think this is my opportunity. I'm gonna sell this. Alright, I'm selling this. Oh wow, this would be beautiful. And I'm gonna get in another one right now. I'm actually gonna get in 3. I'm risking a little bit too much because I forgot my account. I did a withdrawal of 5K. I forgot about that. Yeah, I only can do 2 trades. I'm not trying to risk that much. I'm not trying to risk that much. This is one of those. And the reason I wanted to get in 3 trades because I want to ride this jump down. All right, so here's where I'm gonna have my stop loss and TPs at. Yeah, I'm gonna get in another one, but I'm a risk smaller. I'm gonna wait though on the other one. Wait for it to come more into the POI level. All right, cool. I got my stuff set up. And then let's see what the fuck. You said why do I like yen pairs more than USD pairs? I don't. I got a lot of USD pairs I trade. I'm just trying to be diverse with my portfolio of different Forex pairs I trade. Guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel because we go live every single day. We go live every single day. So make sure you subscribe. Yeah, if we come back here, I'm going to look for another entry. Why? What's going on? What is he doing? Oh, I'm not even realize what's going on. When the markets will slow down. I mean, I see it. Honestly, I don't think there's a such thing as markets will slow down because it's gonna always be volatile. Uh, to be honest with you, only time it's like dead is when it's a bank holiday. Which, if that's what you're asking, then yeah, it's gonna be the end of the year, beginning of the year. 'Cause, you got Christmas and then New Year's. And after that, it's right back. They right back to making money. This week, like I said, this week is gonna be a very interesting week because we got a lot of noise happening. A lot of manipulation is going to happen this week too. Nah, we don't do no spams here. If you start spamming, I will ban you. I will ban you. I don't care if you're telling me to look at something or this is what you got going on. We will ban. Oh, this one looks promising too. I got an extreme right here where nobody would not realize that right there. If anybody trades fair value gaps, I'm sure this is a fair value gap. Yep. And this is 50% inside there. I'm sure. Yep. Resting roughly there. But on the 30 seconds, really on the 1 minute, I was able to see that because of that wick. That's a settlement in a market known as a POI level. So I would like to see GJ hit here and then possibly shoot down because we took out these little lows here. We grabbed the liquidity here. Boom. Took the lows out. Took the highs out. Now I'm looking for that. And then dollar. But dollar has to head up though. And if it does, this will make perfect sense. Nah, I don't really trade Bitcoin. GU is going up. Holy shit, did we just hit TP1 already? Oh, I was about to say, wait, what the hell? Oh, it's hitting. Okay, I was like, hold on. It just now hit the area that I wanted to hit. Cool. So I'm going to be looking for some more entries possibly soon. Just not right now. Probably got some time for that. Somebody, what y'all talking about? Flipping an account? I'm looking at this GU trade, GU trade. Yes, if yen pairs is going down, if the yen is going down, then that could mean euro could be heading up in GJ. But yeah, how much should you risk to flip an account for $20? Ask yourself that. How much do you feel like is more convenient for you to risk? You said $20 to 52K. Jeez. That's going to be a long time, brother. Unless you're risking 100%. And we know if you're doing that, you can be good one day, 1 week, and the next week you just blew your entire account. Everyone's saying risk 15% per trade. It's up to what you feel like you want to risk. Honestly, you just got to do your calculations. I like to do 10%. When I'm dealing with a funded account, though, obviously you can't do 10%. I deal with only 2%. Yeah, if you're trying to do $20 to 52K, that kind of tells me that you're going to be doing a lot of, how can I put it, forcing trades that don't exist. Worry about $20 to $100 first. But let's not try to think of it as, hey, I want to flip a $200 account to 20K. Or sorry, I was reading while I was talking, and that's what I meant to say. I didn't mean to say it like that. I meant to say $20 into 52K. We gotta basically be more like, hey, I just want to do 10% on my account every single time, and boom. Because the moment you start thinking of it like that, even though I say that too, but I don't always initially think it like that. I don't say, oh, I need to get 4K to 40K. I know that I want to risk 10%. And as you guys see, if you've been tapping in my live streams, we just been casually doing 10%, getting about $800 a day, sometimes $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, $3,000 a day. But I'm never looking on like, oh, I need to get this quick. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we gotta see what's up. So we're heading up. I want to start seeing if we get some rejections here. Definitely should have waited on more selling momentum than this one right here. We go, finally tapped our lows right here. This is beautiful now that I see that. Buy gold? No, I'm not buying gold. I need more. Nah, I just need more for me to buy gold. Seriously. Yeah, my euro trade, if it comes to my stop loss, I'm going to exit. And I'm going to look for another entry. If there is another entry. I definitely should have waited on more momentum than what I actually always do on this trade right here, on this euro trade right here. Yeah, Sway, that's what I'm thinking, right? Because we got this right here. We can actually react off this one. But, I mean, technically, we still got all this range up here, too, which I still didn't see. I still don't see it coming up there. But, like I said, this week, I'm not surprised if that happens because this week is going to be interesting anyway. You know, a lot of weird stuff is definitely going to be happening this week. That's a fact. Yeah, it just hit my stop loss. I'm out. I am out. Out that jump. Another entry. I will look for that. Looks like euro, which I promise you, man, this is uncoincidental. If it was definitely a regular week, I would not never see it coming up this far because it's usually when it's strong. But hey, it is what it is. We could even come back up here and see. But I'm gonna keep my eyes open on euro yen because I'm still interested in for that sell for sure. Yeah, we gonna see. No, there's never no mistake for me when I trade. Never no mistake for me when I trade. It just happens. Obviously, we don't take all wins. NASDAQ though, I still want it to come to my extreme. This is my midpoint right here, which looks very promising. But my extreme looks way more promising. Let me see something. Yeah, that's such a big stop loss to TP. I can't even get a 101 from here if I use my stop loss there. I'd rather have it here so I can have a tighter stop loss. I still don't get. I get a 101 and get a 1-2 off my TP1. That's dope. That's what I want. What time is it? Oh, okay. Now we good. I was wondering like why, but it's because of the fact that we've been trending up so aggressively. Yeah, I do. I just realized that. How's gold? Gold ain't doing nothing right now. I'm trying to react off dollar. We gotta look at dollar, y'all. Kevin, you said took 2 L's and then 1 W. Today I'm done. Yeah. If you took, that's me. That would be me. If I take 2 L's, I'll be done for the day too. Literally, like what, 3 weeks ago, man, we had that week. It was 1 week where it was actually that 1 week. It was a day where we end up taking like 2 L's. And I was just like, y'all, we done. Literally, we done. That's my rule. I know a lot of y'all don't even have that type of rule, and y'all need to. Cause right now I'm 1 for 1 today. Yeah, GU is going to extreme for sure. We can start tapping into some of these levels here. GJ, I'm definitely looking on it to come to these highs for sure. And then from here, hey, we can kind of see what happens. There's no difference between trading crypto and Forex. Man, you lost 1,200 in 2 weeks, bro. Yeah, you probably don't want to be trading in December then. Because there's going to be a lot of fucking news in December. Like this whole week. Starting tomorrow, this whole entire week. It's about to be crazy. Like tomorrow, or is it Wednesday? No, tomorrow we got CPI news. I'm going to be going live after the CPI news. And then we finally, hold on. And then we got news on Wednesday, which is the news I've been waiting for. I'm waiting for these formatic. And then we got a lot going on Thursday too. So it's going to be crazy. And if we see crazy reactions in the market, this is why. Oh, you trying to see? That's the thing. When people get into Forex and they ready to try to flip that account quick by next, and that's what I'm telling you guys right there is what's not going to make you successful. You're not going to be able to do that flip because you probably will, right? And you probably will have that, but it's just like the moment you want to turn something to something in a time frame, you're going to start forcing trades. You're going to start seeing stuff that doesn't even exist in your strategy. Kind of like what I just did with the Euro Yen trade, right? My Euro Yen trade, I know y'all saying, is that a mistake? No, it's not. It's just that I definitely wanted to wait on more momentum, which I didn't. But what I'm getting at is stuff like that. You're going to be forcing trades that don't exist, but you're going to try to believe it because you know you need the money quick. And I'm telling y'all, man, when I teach my students and I say, why did you get into Forex? And the moment you tell me that, I got bills to pay, and I'm trying to grow an account this time frame, I'm eventually be like, bro, I don't think we shouldn't be even doing this right now. Because I'm telling you right now, that ain't what like how you should think it. Especially if it's your first year in trading, second year in trading. Yeah, come down to my extreme. I need NASDAQ to come down to my extreme. I need another winner for the day. If it doesn't want to come to my extreme, that's cool too. I see some possible entries now with the rejections. Let's see what this one prints out. My stop loss is going to be down here. Well, let me see. Yeah. even though 215 might not seem like a lot, it can be possible, but like I said, it depends on you. Depends on your discipline, and if you come in with that attention, it ain't gonna work. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. That stuff does not work. Wait on this NASDAQ trade. This time we gonna trade it correctly. Seeing dollar though. It's slowly going down. Brother, it's up to you if you want to hold that euro trade. I'll only tell you what I do. I got out the trade. All right, that's because I just got out the trade. That's one thing I stopped doing, man. It seems like you stuck on that part where you want to marry a trade when you shouldn't even be fucking marrying that person because you know that person ain't right for you. You know what I'm saying? I ended that shit early. That's why we had the stop loss right here. We ended that shit early. So it's up to fucking you what you want to do. That's why I like to have my stop loss. I used to do that shit where I'd be like, man, I'm going to stay in it. Nah, fuck that. And then now you playing this game of, damn, bro, should I stay in it? And then the moment you get out the trade and it goes in your favor, you be mad. That right there tells me you shouldn't even be trading live. If somebody here is like, should I get out the trade? And I'd be like, oh, yeah, get out of it. Because obviously your entry was down here. Get out of it. Because now if your TP was, let's just say at first your TP was here. Now you got to adjust your TP. And in the moment I'd be like, get out of it. And then it goes in your favor and then you get mad at me. That tells me right then and there your discipline is not right to trade. That means you didn't have a true trading plan. You lied to yourself or to me that you said I got a trading plan. For anybody that trades like that, I'm telling you right now, you don't have a true trading plan, or you're not even obeying by your trading plans. You're not even following your own rules. That's why your account goes up, goes down, goes down, goes down. Add more money, it goes up, and then from there you take maybe $100 out. You're thinking about taking money and you probably don't. Goes down, up, down, 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 down. I'm telling you, it's a roller coaster. Yeah, bro. You don't keep moving your stop loss. Don't keep doing that. All right. So right now this is a NASDAQ trade that looks very promising. So I'm entering this and then see what the fuck goes from here. Well, hold on. Actually, let me see. My broker shows me different. Let me see. Why is my broker showing me different? All right. Yeah, I'm in it. Wow. The spreads are pretty high right now. Holy crap. I got in 2 trades. I ain't playing no games. We on a mission today, y'all. I'm gonna get my money back from that petty ass trade. I'm just trying to figure out why the spreads just jumped tremendously right now. Yeah, the spreads are high right now. That's rare. Like, what the fuck? I don't. Why is it high right now? It's only 10:45. I don't know. That's weird. to make that right there. There we go. All right, cool. No, I'm definitely still up on my account though, but yeah. So that Euro trade, man, I hope you out, brother. I don't know why you keep moving your TP, your stop loss. Just get out the trade, man. You gotta learn how to take that L. Just take the L. We just took it. Just learn how to take the L, brother. You 4 for 4 today? Done, I feel you. Guys, by the way, while we wait on this to come close to TP or hit TP, I want to talk about not the broker, but I want to talk about the indicator that I do use on my phone, mainly on my phone. That is called Chart Prime. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with them, right? It is multiple indicators in here. One of my favorite indicators is the Market Oracle, and then the Chart Prime Isolator. The Chart Prime Isolator is actually all-in-one specials. The RSI is almost like Bollinger Bands. It shows you the momentum, the diversions of everything. It's all in one, guys. It's all in one. So, yeah, guys, you definitely want to make sure you check them out. Chart Prime, the information is in the link. If you guys want to use the code, you can. Also, guys, they do have a discount going on right now. So if you want to tap into that, you guys can check out the discount that they have. Right here is a holiday sale. Guys, want to make sure you check them out. Like I said, it's really dope. I see a lot of you guys, actually a couple of you guys on the Discord right now is using Chart Prime right now, and I see you guys are tapping in. And you guys want to make sure you really like master it, because I promise you it's a great fucking tool. Like, I just show you a prime example right now. If you were using Chart Prime, you guys see it tells you that it's overbought right here. Usually you sometimes see diversions. Notice how it's overbought, and then we have this ribbon here where it printed a red dot. Usually when you get the ribbon that prints a red dot while it's overbought or oversold, that kind of tells you that the strong momentum is going down for sure. And same thing exactly here. We got an oversold. We see the red dot was printed, and you see market headed up. So this is a great tool to use, especially if you're new to trading. I highly recommend y'all checking it out for sure, though. So NASDAQ is doing its thing. It looks like it's trying to build liquidity like that. Like, see, look how strong dollar is right now. Look how strong dollar is. But look at NASDAQ. We not trying to go up. We got to be doing aggressive moves. This week, man, this week is scaring me. This week is crazy, man. It's going to be crazy. I'm about to trade light. Starting tomorrow, I'm trading light. We need to be aggressive right now, and we're not. Like, that's crazy. Look at that. Dollar is strong going down, but NASDAQ is not trying to be strong going up. It's actually going down. Kind of tells me what the fuck is going to happen when it actually makes this little ass move going up. You see what I'm saying? Nah, this is just all fake manipulation, man. Just for tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday. It's all fake manipulation. All fake manipulation. That's all it is. Go got time to get somewhere. All right, guys, I'm about to see one-on-one trades right there. I'm waiting on it to get up a little bit more, then I might TP, because it's coming close to my TP on my broker. As y'all see here. Yeah, the spreads is just crazy right now. Only can be crazy because of news this week. That's how I'm seeing it. Interesting. We really want to consolidate right now with NASDAQ. Mike, you say you bailed on NAS is to consolidate. Yeah, it is being a little consolidated right now. It's because it's trying to build up this liquidity too. Patrick Gantry sucks. Man, where did you enter at? Wow, we are heading up. Dollar is dropping, but NASDAQ is saying, nah, we building liquidity up. Gotcha. You said who do you find in your range? You meant where do I find my range? I just look at the most recent trend. Yeah, I feel you. Okay. Guys, look at this. We just built up. We got a lot of liquidity right here. All in these highs right here. A lot. So, very interested to see what the fuck. You said better have fingers hovering or close trade. Yeah. If y'all trade during news, man, just be cautious. But I always say this, and I have said this all the time. If there's big news that's happening, what's going to usually happen the day before is going to be some weird manipulation. Like, you will see the market do something completely off. But basically, you'll notice how market is super strong going up. And then you'll notice that dollar is super strong going down, right? Which will make NASDAQ strong going up, right? But then you also notice how when NASDAQ starts to be, let's say, start to head down, you'll notice that dollar will also start to head down still too. And that kind of tells me that, yeah, this is fake manipulation. Like, this is just banks, algorithms, institutionals trying to, prepare shit, try to scare shit, and really do what the fuck is supposed to be done. It's like I said, guys, the Feds is what's moving the market. They move the market, man. They move the market. They are the market makers. So it's like they already know what the CPI reports are. They already know what this is. They already know what that is. They create the fear. You create the problem and you find a solution for it. That's true manipulation. If you can create a problem, but then have the solution for that problem, just like, all right, for instance, I'm about to use this as an example. COVID-19. Let's just say that let's just say that I'm gonna actually think of something new. Let's say that I'm a scientist, right? And I created this new virus called the zombie 911 virus. What I'm gonna do is release it, but I already got the solution for it. Why do people do this? Because they know it can make them money. So I, the scientists, created this virus, released it to the world. Now everybody and their mama has it, but now I got the solution for it. And now everybody wants to come to me because I got the solution for it. This dude lost his damn mind. So what I'm basically, careful yo, talking about that. No. What I'm basically talking about is that this is an example of what's going on, right? With manipulation. That's how manipulation is looked at. So that's how I kind of want you guys to understand market. Nah, not talking about none of that. I'm just telling you what an example. Did I enter in euro yen? Nah. We got out that trade. We got out that trade. Bro, speaking solos on a level. I'm just saying shit. Examples so y'all understand. Definitely not no conspiracy. We not here to talk about conspiracy. I got back in. You got back in Europe for another sale. As long as you got a strategy, bro. It's just building up liquidity highs right now. NASDAQ is being NASDAQ. Doing absolutely nothing right now. Yeah, right. Somebody creates a computer virus, then sells the software to remove it. Exactly. He said I got a conspiracy that NASDAQ is out to get my money. Tomorrow I might just be watching the market more than anything, just to see what the fuck is really going on. All right, guys, I'm gonna cash out a NASDAQ. We taking out a NASDAQ. I'm cashing out a NASDAQ. We're gonna have this a break-even trade. I ain't liking it right now. Dollar's been strong going down, but NASDAQ's been creating this choppiness. So break even. I just broke even with this. And it's crazy too. Like we even earlier when we called out the NASDAQ trade to TP1, it literally hit TP1 and then it just said forget TP2, and never even tapped TP2. Actually came close to tapping TP2, but it's been consolidating right now. Like we're in heavy consolidation right now with NASDAQ. There is no momentum right now. It is actually momentum, but on a scalping aspect. However, if you guys look at it, this is what's going on with NASDAQ. This is why we're not getting anything. It's just going up, going down right now. It's literally what we got. Great example. Is there better trade? Foreign pairs. Nah, I feel like everything is about to just be doing its thing. Only thing that I really see that's actually volatile is gold. And my only setup is if gold can come up here, I will possibly be looking for a sell. I'm only interested in sells. So guys, this is where I'm at with my account right now. Just took the 2 break-even trades. Technically, we down for the day, which is cool. I ain't tripping. We got tomorrow, but I'm out, right? As you see, NASDAQ is heading up now, but I don't like it. I don't like it. Because at this point, we got all this liquidity that is trying to build up. And at this point, it can do whatever the fuck it wants. At this point, it's going to be an emotion roller coaster right now with NASDAQ. GJ had made up new liquidity highs. It's kind of at this point to see what the fuck is really going to go on. Also, Euro Yen also made some liquidity highs. It is doing it is consolidating. It did build up. Actually, what really happened is it built up more liquidity with Euro, and then GU has just been going up. This is actually pretty amazing to see because it's just like up, down, up, down. You made $2.30. There you go, man. Make that shit break. Just break even with it. If you want to keep riding it, keep riding it. But yeah, I mean, it probably would have smashed TP now. But I'm good, man. It's too choppy right now. We in a lot of consolidation. Gold is the only thing I see. Yeah, NASDAQ did hit TP1 if you decided to ride it. Like I said, guys, if you decide to ride it, it did smash TP1. But otherwise, for me, I end up making a little profit. But yeah, I got out of it. But it did smash TP1. But I'm not counting that trade as a winner for me. I just didn't like my position, for one. If my position was more for a down here, how I originally wanted it, cool. But we did get momentum. This is a true momentum that I'm talking about. When we got all of these wick rejections here, I compare this with this momentum flow, and then I kind of react off that. That's how I determine my entries, y'all. It's a lot to it than what you think. But, yeah, that's pretty much how I determine my entries. So, guys, if you are not tapped into the VIP or tapped into the markets at all, I don't know why my Discord is not going off. It's like I see all y'all posting this, and I did not notice that y'all post all this. I don't know what's going on. But, guys, make sure you join the Discord. It is absolutely free right now. You guys, we have a free section on Discord. We have a lot of phenomenal educational members that post their ideas of what they think is going on with the market. So make sure you guys tap into the Discord if you're not. And make sure you guys fucking subscribe because you're going to be missing out on a lot of gems. You made $48 on NASDAQ. Nice. Nice. GU sale. I will be posting that in the VIP. Right now, I don't really see much going on, but this trade right here is all I see. You said that pin link ain't working. Anybody else having issues with the Discord link? Hold on. Let me try to reshare it. Make sure you guys go ahead and join up the Discord. Will I trade CPI news? Yeah, I am. But I'm gonna trade after. You earned 5K today. Nice. Congrats on that. I got a question. I'm going to put a poll real fast. I want to see. Do any of you guys trade during news? No. Tomorrow I'm gonna be trading after after the CPI news, which is at 7:30 a.m. my time. I put 0. Okay. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna be tapping out today because today I got 111. I'm done. That's my rule. Two losing trade. Even though break even was kind of like that, but I'm just like nah. So man, make sure you guys, if you haven't liked this video, also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are going live this whole week. I don't care about the news. That's not affecting me. I'm gonna trade after news. I'm gonna see what the fuck market's doing. We still react off of market. And that's how we determine our trades. All right, so I'm going to make sure all of y'all, make sure you are tapped in. Join, go ahead and hit me up on Discord. And then other than that, guys, I'm going to see all of y'all tomorrow because today we got 111. And looking at how NASDAQ is, like, look at this. We dropped, but we got all this consolidation. Right now, dollar actually just hit a midpoint, which could actually head up, which tells me NASDAQ could do a big drop. This is why we got out early, because this is what we want to avoid. So, guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I appreciate the love and support. Everybody, take care. Peace.